Hello, I like to make today a very easy sugar cookie recipe. It's excellent for cut out type of cookies, and we decorate these cookies in different parts. In part 1 we make SpongeBob, in part 2 My Little Pony, part 3 will be Frozen Anna and Elsa, and part 4 we make Minions. So basically, basic recipe to making sugar cookies. We will incorporate it in all parts, and what we do is basically for make sugar cookies we need 3/4 cup butter softened. It's unsalted butter softened. It's about 170 gram or 1.5 sticks. All the ingredients in ounces and inches will be in description box. Please do have a look. So what we do is we place in a large bowl our softened butter and add 3/4 cup of sugar. It's about 150 gram. So we use electric mixer and cream together butter and sugar. Once butter become light and fluffy and creamy, we add 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat together. Once we incorporated egg and vanilla, we add 2 1/4 cup of a plain flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we incorporate it on low speed until it's combined. Then we just simply knead with our hands and place invert onto working surface. Once you invert sugar cookie dough on working surface, knead slightly to bring it together. And now our sugar cookie dough is ready for baking. In part 2 we will bake and decorate My Little Pony Rainbow Dash. And what I like is to show us that I purchased the cookie cutters from JB Cookie Cutters. They have a really good range of various cutters. As you can see, they come with all details, with the actual hair, with eyes, eyelashes, and whole little bits, which just makes really easy to decorate. Everything will be in the description box if you like to purchase similar cookie cutters. And what we do is roll out dough on a working surface, dust it with flour in a thickness about 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimeter. Take main body of the Rainbow Dash, just cut out. As you can see, it has already great shape, and place on baking tray, which is we need 2 baking trays lined with baking paper, and preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. So we cut out. Once you place them on your prepared tray, and place in preheated oven and bake for about 10 minutes until it's slightly golden. Then leave on a tray for about 5 to 10 minutes to slightly harden before transferring to cooling rack to cool completely down. Once Little Pony cookies are baked, they completely cool down. They have a really great shape, and what we do is we use cookie cutters. As I said before, I purchased from JB Cookie Cutters. This one particular is 10 centimeters. They come in different sizes. You can purchase them smaller size or larger as well, and just click on whatever size you really wanted. So basically we have different color fondants, which is rolled out on a working surface, dusted with powdered icing sugar to prevent sticking into very thin thickness, because we kind of put a couple layers on top of each other. We don't want use too much of fondant. So probably 0.3 mils would be good. To attach various parts, you can use either sugar syrup or simple water. It's up to you. So what we do is we started assemble. And as you can see, Little Pony is done. Really great and neat cookie. Now we finish decorating my Little Pony cookies. Of course, you can use a variety of colors to make it look different. But I think this cookies is very fast way and easy way too to achieve excellent result. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Everything will be in the description box. Until next time, goodbye.